Good day mga boss and welcome again to my channel. Kabalo ko na mo direct kay curious mo about sa mga accessories or the budget alternatives for the accessories of GoPro Hero 9. Okay? So this is my GoPro Hero 9. Wow! And after I bought this, so hapit ko nagmahay kay when I nisulit ko palit. Okay, when I look at the accessories online, labi na sa GoPro and some camera stores, my God, mahal kayo. So since I'm planning to make a vlog, so one of my concerns is the audio. Okay, and then I tested the audio and okay man siya. It's crystal clear. So naman po siya ay wind reduction. Okay, nice man. So for me, I don't think I need a media mode. That's worth 4,990. Mahal kayo. Okay, and then when I tried it on my bike, kani, and then kung magsuroy ko sa akong bike and it's very windy, so saba gyapon ang hangin. Of course, saba ang hangin. Maklaro ba ang pagka-windy? So lain siya paminahon. So what I did, I searched the net and tried to explore some things that could be best alternatives for the media mode. Okay? And look what I found. I bought it from Shopee. So it's just 211 pesos. So kanira siya. Kani. Gipilo ra gini siya gisod sa cellophane. Kani? Na? Kani siya. So mao siya tanawon, di ba? Pero let's try it. Okay? So tubang na ho karon ang electric fan na mo. Okay, andre kani. So kani siya. Na. Okay. So and ato i-try, and then ato i-try iyon ang electric fan. Then gamito ni nato. So with this WINDSLAYER, man daw tawag ani. WINDSLAYER. WINDSLAYER. I-on na to yung electric fan. Okay? With the WINDSLAYER, and then ang ikaduha da yon ay kanila lang. Ay on na to electric fan sa bagay. I-on na to electric fan without the WINDSLAYER first, and then with the WINDSLAYER. Okay? So i-try na to with the GoPro. Okay, gi-on na nato ang electric fan. Tara. Okay. And this is without this WINDSLAYER kani. Wala pa ni siya gisulod sa GoPro. So saba siya. So Matanaw na to na. Okay, na. This is without the WINDSLAYER. Okay, now let's try with the WINDSLAYER na.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is now with the WINDSLAYER. Okay, nakatong tag 211 na WINDSLAYER from Shopee. Saba ba siya or mas nichada siya? Sa without. Okay? Kita na electric fan ha, naraw. You know that kabalo naman mo sa kalainan. So kamo mag-decide. Okay? So again, I'm just trying to help. So wala po ga-promote. I'm just trying to share my experiences para po maka-save tatanan sa mga accessories sa GoPro. You know, GoPro accessories are very expensive. Okay? So I think mora na. Ayaw mo. Stay safe and God bless us all.